welcome back to Traxxas Repairs. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a speed servo. So first thing you're going to want to do is remove these bolts all around your servo box to be able to install the new one. So you get an Allen key and then just start loosening. Once all the bolts are removed, you're going to want to go to the bottom of the car and release a wheel under there. To release this, you're going to need another size Allen key and just fit it right in the middle and loosen it. So once you have the wheel underneath the car removed, you can just pop this out, and this is what I'm going to be replacing. Next, we're going to come over to the top qualifier link button and outlets. I already unplugged it, but this is it right here. It basically came under the car through those two parts right there, and then it actually goes under there too, and then comes and plugs in. So just unplug that. So once you have it unplugged, you could just take out the servo and you're ready to put in the new one. My old servo was breaking a lot, so I decided to get a new one that is all metal gears. This one is supposed to be better, and I believe it will be. It's supposed to spin faster and not slip up as much because it's all metal. It's called the Pro Tech RC High Performance. It's a very good servo, and I highly recommend it. So first you're gonna want to push it in there and then screw in all these 4 bolts. So once you have all 4 bolts back in, you're gonna go under the car again and screw in that wheel. Once that wheel's screwed in, now it's just all you have to do is just plug it in. You want to slide the wire under here, and then you can pull it a little bit, take out some slack. And then go under here and you'll grab it on this side. Having a little trouble here. Here we go. Okay. So pull it to where there's really no slack left, and it's supposed to go on this side of it, and maybe flatten it out here. And then you will plug it in to channel 1, the farthest one away from what this says right here on that side. But you also, I forgot, you also want to go under this too and put it inside the box. So now that you have that plugged in, you're gonna get the cap. And you're gonna put it back on. Make sure that this blue thing is in there, because that's what makes it waterproof. And then now that you have that there, just go like that. You can screw these back on. Now that you have that cap on, you're gonna want to get the next one, which is smaller, and put it on here, right here, over these wires. Now that you have all that back on, your car is ready to go with its new servo. Thank you guys for watching, and hope this helped you with your car. Like and subscribe.